Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to adjust and personalize the web shop. First, click on Self-Service. Then go to Sales Channels. You are now in the overview of your sales channels. To adjust the settings of a sales channel, use the corresponding edit icon. A new window will open where you can adjust the information of the sales channel. To change the name of the web shop, use the corresponding text field. Sales channels are always assigned to a facility. To change the assigned facility, use the corresponding drop-down menu. Then select a facility from the given options. Then select the languages for the sales channel by using the corresponding drop-down menu. Afterward, select the default language through the corresponding drop-down menu. You can allow order comments from your clients to make specific notes about the order. To either enable or disable those comments, use the corresponding slider. To manage the content of the sales channel, click on Content. In the Content section, you now can create a welcome text. Do so by using the corresponding text field. Then enter the general information about the web shop by using the corresponding text field. To set colors and images for the web shop, go to the Appearance section. To change the colors, use the respective fields. Note, the primary one is the main color of your web shop. The secondary is the menu, and the tertiary is related to the footer. To adjust the default product overview and product image style, use the respective drop-down menus and select your preferred depiction. To upload a logo, use the designated area to drag and drop your file there, or click on Browse to search through your system for the file. Note, the maximum size of the uploaded file is 1 MB. You can also add media for different areas on your web shop, such as a welcome image, success image, error image, and menu header image. To add your terms and conditions, as well as your privacy statement, go to Legal Information. All legal information can either be entered here as text or be uploaded as a PDF file. To do so, use the corresponding fields. Then, go to Company Information to edit the main contact reference of your web shop. You are now able to adjust the company's name, address, and contact information. Do so by using the corresponding fields. To determine the opening hours of your web shop, go to Pickup Time Slots. To enable/disable a day, use the sliders, and to adjust the time, use the respective time fields. Then click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to adjust and personalize the web shop.